Hello guys, welcome back to Rishu Films. This is the third video of the series where I am discussing how to document a lab data having tables and charts using MS Word and MS Excel. In the first two videos, we did calculations and generated the publishing quality graph using MS Excel. If you have not watched those videos, I would suggest you go through those first. Links to those videos are provided in the description box. In this video, I will discuss how to prepare MS Word document for the data and plots generated in MS Excel. Okay, let us begin. Open a blank MS Word file, press enter a couple of times. Then in the first line, insert a 3x1 table. Write name, registration number and department in the first, second and third cell respectively. Select the table using table anchor. Go to Design tab in the Table Tools. In the Border menu, select No Border. Skip one line and then write experiment name. Make it bold, then write the name of the experiment. Mostly technical documents are written in 12 points times font. If your document has a different font, then select everything by pressing Ctrl A and change font to Times New Roman and size 12. Skip one line after experiment name and write Table 1. Press enter a couple of times, then write Table 2 and press enter a few more times. Go to our Excel workbook. Select the first table, that is cell A1 to G8. Press Ctrl C. Go to Word. Place the cursor in the line next to the table 1. Press Ctrl V. Without clicking anywhere else, press Ctrl and then press S. Select the newly created table. Go to Layout in the Table Tools. From the AutoFit drop-down menu, select AutoFit window. Select text in the first row of the table and make it bold. Delete extra spaces after the table. These formatting markers can be made visible by selecting Show Hide Formatting Mark button in the Home tab. Now copy the second table from Excel and paste it below the table 2. Press Ctrl and then press S. Select the table. Go to Layout of the table and from the AutoFit menu, select AutoFit window. Select the text in the top row and make it bold-faced. Select the text in the top 3 rows and align it to middle and center. Write the unit in the corresponding column. Go to the next page and press enter a couple of times. Copy the first chart and paste it in the second line of the page. Select the chart, select top and bottom wrapping from the layout option, then go to Format tab. Under Chart Tools and in the Align menu, select Align Center. Skip 2 lines below this chart and paste another chart there. Wrap it top and bottom and align center. Now select the column for analytical values in the second table. Go to Design under Table Tools and select some light color for shading. I personally do not like the outline of a chart. To remove that, select the chart and in the Format tab under Chart Tools, select Shape Outline and No Outline. We have a blank page in the document. Remove that page. Save the document by pressing Ctrl S. To export it to PDF, press F12 key. It will open Save As dialog box. Provide the file name. In the Save As type, select PDF and click Save. Your document will be exported to a PDF file. In summary, in this video series, we have learned to document data and charts in PDF format using MS Word and Excel. For more educational content, do visit our YouTube channel, Rishu Films. If you have any feedback, suggestion, query, please let us know through comments or email to rishufilms@gmail.com. Thank you guys.